What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about my Turo account and my performance for the month of May. Now, I know that my last video on Turo performance was for the month of February. I'm so sorry because I did not post one for the month of April and I did not post one for the month of May. So I'm just going to be talking about both April and May in this video. I've been very caught up on some other things, but I do feel a little bit bad because I wanted to keep that consistency and I failed. But either way, guys, let's go ahead and get started. If you did watch my other video, February was actually one of my best performance months. And so for those of you who don't know, I did become an all-star host, which again, I don't know why it's acting all funny. Maybe Turo here's performing some sort of, yeah, there we go. So I became an all-star host, which is pretty good. And you become that once you get a 100% response rate, an acceptance rate, a certain commitment rate, a 5-star review rate, and a certain amount of trips. So after 8 months of doing Turo, I finally got my all-star host, which gives me a little bit some more perks, performance, and positioning, and blah, 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 so it's kind of cool. But let's go to the numbers, guys. I know that everybody wants to see this, especially me when I'm first starting. So far for the year, we've made a whopping $7,405, and that's just earned. That's the money I've made already. I still have pending upcoming bookings, 1,363 for the month of June. We're barely June 3, and I already have several bookings for this month already worth $1,300. So if you guys remember, for February, for March, I earned 2,076. For April, it was actually a little bit less. However, in reimbursements, I had a person that smoked cigarettes and damaged one of the wheels. So I had a pretty big reimbursement. So technically, cash flow wise, we got more money on April that we've ever had before. And then May was a bit slower. Keep in mind, I did use the car for 1 full week because I took a vacation and I used my Tesla, obviously, to, travel. And so we got $1,651 even with that 1 week of usage. So that was pretty good. Keep in mind, guys, also that each month I'm paying only roughly $750 to $800 per month in expenses such as insurance and car payment. And the insurance does cover my other car, which is a little Prius. The Prius is paid for, so I don't have a car payment for that one. But, it's still nice to see that Turo is actually paying for both insurance of both of my cars and the actual car payment. And as you can see, I'm making $1,651. Roughly gives me around maybe $700 to $800 of profit per month for the last 3 months on average. So that's pretty good. Overall, I'll show you guys here the performance. Well, actually, let's see. For the specific vehicles, as you guys can see, the Prius only has earned $99 because I really don't try to rent this car out at all because that's the one I use. And then the Tesla has been the money bread maker here. As you can see, it's mainly all of it. Like all of the bookings are from the Tesla. And then let's see here. Now, I do want to show you guys the calendar. As you can see, the blue lines means it's already booked. So for June, I already have this weekend, the whole weekend I have rented out. I have some days here open, and I have almost 2 weeks of fully bookings that I'm not going to be in and seeing the car. That's pretty good. That's why I have some bookings already ahead. And then for May, it's not showing here. On the phone, it does show, but it shows all the bookings and the history. And I would say I'm roughly around 85 to 90% capacity. So, we're doing pretty well. Reviews, we're doing pretty well as well. Getting all those 5-star reviews, pretty good. And yeah, it's really that simple. I do post about Turo videos, pretty much tips and guides on Turo and how to become a Turo host if you're interested, every Friday on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in becoming a Turo host, doing some side hustling money, definitely consider subscribing, comment, follow me on Instagram or whatever you use to communicate with me. I'm always more than happy. I've met with several people in Las Vegas already that are interested in becoming Turo hosts. So I invite you simply to reach out to me, and I'm always happy to share the knowledge and give some good tips so you don't have to go through the struggles I went when I was starting out. So again, guys, this is my performance for the month of April and May. Again, so far for the year, we have 7,405. I'm really thinking that we're going to be hitting the 15,000 by the end of the year. Summer is just getting started and it's really, really looking promising. So, you know, definitely. Actually, I do want to point out, I have my Tesla Model 3, and if I were to sell my Tesla Model 3, I would actually get more money than what I owe on the car payment. So now I would probably make like $2,000 if I do sell the car, because I would get roughly around $36,000 for the car if I sell it right now, and I only owe $34,000. So I would make $2,000 right there. And for the history of the whole time since I've been doing Turo, I've actually made roughly $6,000 to $7,000. So, you know, it's a nice little $8,000 approximately, you know, not exactly, but approximately $6,000 to $7,000 or $8,000 of profit I've made in this little Turo gig with just one car. That's very impressive. So, you know, there you guys have it. Again, if you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.